this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube without recording your face. There's a new method, and also there's a website you can build in 5 minutes and you can make a lot more money from it. There's already one channel doing it. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide, and also I'm trying it myself. Again guys, this method is completely free and work worldwide. All you have to do is take action and you can make a passive income from it. And you remember that you have to watch the video until the end, because there's a full of tutorials and also tools are free. So watch it carefully until the end so you can learn how to build a website and how to publish your videos and everything guys. So watch the video until the end. Again, if you really like this video, subscribe and press the like button on the bottom of the video guys. So look at this. This is my website I built in less than 5 minutes using Canva. That you can see there's a front page and there's a back page, and there's a product I'm promoting. There's one type of affiliate marketing. There's a second type of product I'm promoting. I'm gonna walk you through step by step how I built it, how you can build it, and how you can make money from it. First, what you have to do, take a look at this channel. It's called Screen Rate Protection Relaxing Music. They're uploading relaxing music in long format that you can see 11 hours, 2 hours, 9 hours, and 10 hours, and 11-hour format. All they do is they put the relaxing music in the background on the loop and put the picture, not videos, just picture, and put it on YouTube guys. For example, I'll show you. This is the video I want to open up. It's called Deep Focus ADHD. If I open that, and that you can see here, this advertisement is playing on that video. There's 4 seconds to go. So that means this website, this channel is monetizing this format of video. Also, if you take a look at their social belief, that's this, you can see here, this channel's owner is from Lithuania. So again, that you can see they are making roughly between 2 grand every single month as a passive income guys. This is a big money that you can make as a passive income, that you can see in a year that you can make around 30 to 35,000 pounds as a passive income from this niche. That you can see their subscribers also going up, at the same time their views also going up, and they are making roughly 150 to 200 pounds every single day from this YouTube channels guys. On top of that, if you go to the video here, and there's a comment section, description section here, and you take a look at this, is the thing called our website. If you click and open this is their website. What they do, they're promoting Clickbank product. That you can see the recommended program underneath it. There's 2 program is from Clickbank. That you can see the recommended books, and again that you can see this is the book from Amazon website guys. That you can see they don't have much on their website. All they do is upload these videos on YouTube, drive traffic back to their website, and they make money on the back end from affiliate marketing or selling books again from affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you how you can make these videos and how you can make this website for free guys, simply, and under 1 hour that you can, your channels and your website is up to run, and you can publish a video every single day, and you can update your website anytime you want guys. First, what you have to do is, this is the channels, this is my new channels I have created today. It's called Daily Motion. I upload new video which is 25th July on a daily you can see meditation. I need to post the video here. I need to go back to my channel here. This is the channel that you can see 9 minutes of meditation music is uploaded on here. Basically, I upload music and the video instead of picture. This is a long format videos, about 2 hours long. It's the same video but in the loop for 2 hours, but it's taking long times to upload because it's the long duration. But don't worry about that. I'm going to show you how you can create this video very fast and simple method. All you have to do, go to any website that offer royalty free music, including meditation or normal music. One of the website is called Bensound. You can download this music, that you can use it for YouTube. All you have to do is give the credit on the description that you get this music from Bensound. Also, you can put the link so people can come and download this music guys. After you download the music, you need to go to this website called FlexClip. The reason is the flex clips allow you to edit this video much faster than any other online editor, guys, because you can add the pictures and audios, and you can add elements like a text and everything. With everything is built inside it, so you can use it in an easier way, guys. I'm using flex clip nearly 1 month for all my YouTube channels, so I'm going to walk you through how you can edit these videos in a couple of minutes. All you have to do is, when you sign up, you have to click this one, start from scratch, and click this the new method, beta tools here. And after you choose that, what you have to do, you drag and drop your audio and the pictures, guys. First upload the music, click local file. This is your download music, put it on here. You can't just drag and drop the music, you need to upload pictures or videos, so you have to click stock media, click video, and type a meditation, which I already typed it on here. You can have a couple of these other free videos. You can use it for your YouTube channel without getting copyright claim or copyright strike. So click add sign on here on the bottom of the video. Go back to your editor, your video is ready. What you have to do, click plus sign here like that, and what you do, drag and drop your music on here. That you can see your music and the video is ready. What you do after you did that, copy and paste it to make a loop video. With this flex clip, you can make up to 30 minutes of video. But if you want to make it long hours, you can use editor, because you can make a basic video from here. Then you can go to any editing softwares and you can double it down. So for example, you can say this is the video I just created for my YouTube channels. Couple of videos are there. So if I click play, then you can see there's a simple elegant video is playing in the background, and there's a you can see this is a motivation music in the also playing. That you can see here, this is around 9 minutes long. Now what you do, after you render the file and upload it on YouTube, which I already did it on here, that you can see. So if I edit this button here, that you can see I put the link on here, visit our website. This is the long link, because you can't shorten that Canva link. Now what you have to do, you need to build a website. Go to Canva, it's completely free. There's a link in the description. Also for the flex clip, there's a link in the description. Go and check it out. You have to do, click this one called create a design and type website, and it will bring the first one here. Click that. Now what they do, they give a couple of templates that you can use it. You can't, I recommend don't use the exactly the same, but use you can get this template and re-modify it into your what you need, guys. For example, this is the template I used, so I open that. They give all the template like front page, middle page, contact us, about us, something like that, right? So what you can do, click this first scene here, click this one, and click second scene, click this second page, like that. So you need to have a couple of pages. You can delete it if you don't want it in the end, guys, something like that, right? So what you do now, go to the first page. You can change the color like that. You can add edit the text like this one here. You can edit like a meditation or daily meditation, which is my YouTube channel, something like that. You can delete the pictures, upload the picture. So if I go to my website here, then you can see this is the first page. I just same template here. I put the daily meditation, which is my YouTube channels. Here I like give a subtitle like everything that you need to know about meditation. This is my YouTube icon that you can see it on here. This is my YouTube icon. I can't show you icon here. Go back to channel. This is my YouTube icon here. I put it on here. This is a simple picture. I put it on here. This is the first page. The second page is watch our recent video. All you have to do, so you go to here on more section on Canva and click YouTube, and you can search your videos. So my one already searched here. Then you can track and drop it on here. So you can update your website every single day that you upload a new video. And this is a second page. Third page is the affiliate marketing offers begins. Here I said books on meditation. So what I did is I go to Canva, Amazon, and search it on meditation book and pick number 4 books in top selling on Amazon, guys. You can see this is the book in top selling. This is the book on top selling. These books have a higher review, so that you can see this is the review. All you have to do is open each books, download the pictures by click and save image on your computer. After you did that, what you do, go to Canva, and you need to go to this one section called elements. On here you type frame. Then you can say you can have a different frame like a circle pattern frame. So select the square one if you like, or whatever you like, guys. For example, I can show you one example here. This is the pattern I want, so put it on here. Go to your upload section, upload all the pictures that you downloaded. For example, this one. So what you do, if you drag and drop into the frame, it will fix inside the frame like a, you can see I have a like a frame inside it. That you can see here. This is the book like frame. I put all the pictures inside it. Now what you do, click each book and click this one called 3 dots on here, and click this one called link. On here you need to put your affiliate link. So go back to your Amazon here. This is the book, right? Click here. If you have registered with Amazon affiliate account, that you can have this tool on your Amazon website. Copy this link, go back to your Canva, and you can see this is the book, right? Click the book, click the 3 dots, click this sign, link sign, and put it inside. Click apply, something like that. So you could apply for each book. So whenever people click this link, is clickable. So whenever people click this and buy this book, you're gonna make a commission from it. On top of that, what I did is get your audiobooks, because lots of people are referring audiobooks rather than the books right now. So when you go to your Amazon associate account, click this one called promotion and boundaries. Click this called bounty program overview. What you're gonna do, you're gonna put your associate ID here and get the tracking ID. So when you share this link, people can come to here and they can sign up for anything. For example, audiobook or Amazon Prime or Amazon Kids, whatever they sign up for, you get paid in $3, guys. So you can get that link, go back to your Canva, highlight it. I already put it on here. I can show you that. Then you can see my link is already put on here. Click apply. This part is done. So this is for Amazon associate. The next part is for Clickbank, or you can go to Clickbank, DC Store, or JVC, or whatever, and find the product on manifestation or yoga or meditation. So you can see these are 3 products that I want to promote on manifestation. So what you have to do, click this affiliate page which open up here, and click this one on banners. And what you do, go back, go to the board banners and click and save these banners into your computer for all 3 products. Whatever the you can promote more product or you can promote less product. I'm promoting a 3 products, so I saved a banner image on my computer. Like I said before, I just repeat the pattern. I put the frame, I put each pictures inside, I put the name for each product, and again click this picture, click this 3 dots, click the sign as a link button. There you go. There's an affiliate link inside it. On top of that, for each text, again I repeat that, click the text button and go to the link button on here and put it on affiliate link inside for each text, because whenever people forward to click this one, they can click the name and it will take to the automatic or to the product page, guys. The final page is follow page. So okay, you can have it or you don't have it. So I put here all 4 big social media pages on here. In the future, if I created account on all the social media to upload my videos, I can put the link here. They can follow me back on all those social media and they can get up to know my videos, and I can make them to buy my affiliate product, guys. So after you did that, what you have to do, click this one called publish as a website, and recommend go with the presentation, so you can slide over next to it, or you can go to scrolling or the classic navigation. I can show you one here. If you say click presentation and click open website, and it's gonna look like this one, guys. Now you can see, you can slide it on here. They can see it, they can see the second page on a video, and you can see on top of that, this is our clickable link. So if people click it, it will automatically take them into the affiliate page. If they buy it, you make commission. So these are called presentation format. And if you want a scrolling format like other website, click scrolling and open website, and you can see you can scroll from up and down, guys, like that. Or on top of that, you can go classic, which is the navigation. So if you open that, and you can have all the pages on top of it. So meditation, if they click this one, it will take the here, and if you take this one, if you take the here, you can rename the each page, so it will appear on top of it, guys. So this is how you can make money from YouTube without making any video. Again, guys, there's a lots of videos on YouTube with a similar method. Is with, because when you come to YouTube, you need to make you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time before you monetize your channels, guys. So during that period, could be 1 month or couple of months, that you can make additional money by having a website and promoting your affiliate product, guys. So if you are new to affiliate marketing, if you never built a website, this is an easier way. You can play around it, build a website, and just put the link on your video description on here, like I did it on my video here. So whenever people watch the video, click my website, they come here, they look around it. If they buy this product, any of those products, I can make a passive income every single day, guys. So I hope, guys, you understand this video. This is about make money on YouTube without making any videos, at the same time building a website without having any previous knowledge, guys. So if you really like this video, all you have to do is subscribe and like this video. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.